AI, which worries everybody because we get that as well with our, people writing. A lot of it is AI generated, and then you wonder with UN Books, is it the end of books, so to speak, or do you see a lot of hope? And if so, where? Mansi, let's begin with you.
So the first question is a tough one, and you've given it to me. Okay, so I think AI is very interesting because AI is almost entirely trained on human material. So actually, it is entirely trained on human material, which means AI is really only as good as the writers it is trained on. I don't think there is, like, just logically to me, it doesn't seem to me that it is ever going to be possible for AI to be better than the material that it is trained on. That is the baseline. So for me, it's almost interesting to watch how writers will now respond to this material that is being produced by AI and see whether they can now do something a little bit different. And then, of course, AI will be trained on that material, and it's an endless cycle. But it's a challenge for writers to get better and better and better. I'm not, at the moment, I can say confidently, I'm not very threatened by what AI will do to the publishing industry. Also because I work in very, very literary publishing, and I don't think literary publishing can ever be replaced by something that is not brought about through lived experience.
I can only speak from the perspective of an agent, and I haven't received too many submissions in any genre which seem AI generated, nor have I inadvertently signed up any submission that has used AI, nor have I been told by publishers that the author you signed up or the proposal you sent our way has used AI. So like Mansi said, it depends on the genre you're working in, and I work with primarily literary writers, but what some literary writers and even other writers writing in other genres are doing is they're using AI, for helping them fine-tune their pitches. Maybe, like some basic fact-checking, some light copy editing, proofreading, but I don't think AI can be used to write a book. It defeats the purpose of writing, especially like writing like literary fiction. That's what I feel. So I don't feel any impact of AI on
not even acquisitions.
No, so from my perspective, no. Some authors are now insisting that they would like a clause in the contract with the publisher that the publisher should not use AI to generate covers, and nor should they be using their material to train AI. So and mostly these authors write in the science fiction fantasy space. I'm not surprised. But other than that, I have not seen...
Penguin has now started putting it on the copyright page of all books as of last year that says this material is not allowed to be used to train AI.
And
like Mansi, I'm actually looking forward to see how things will change with the AI. I don't think it is at a stage where it is replacing things, replacing actual writers doing the writing job, So, but it is a fast evolving machine, and it is already being used in various ways. It's being used for translation, for audio narration, though I was having a chat with someone who is using the tool as a business for translations, and he agrees that it can just do the job a little faster, but it cannot replace the human being. The translation needs to be read by an actual human being who's an expert in the language, to get the nuances right, etc. So it's going to be a real part of the publishing industry very soon. In terms of, I think really good writers will continue to do very good writing, but on their own. But those very quick books, maybe quick romances, things like that, you know. So I wonder if those are going to be purely AI written soon, you know. So because you just don't want to give that pulpy read, you know, and you probably don't need that human being to do it, you know. So it might be more cost effective and speedier for some publishing houses, the ones who are publishing them, to do that.
I think we have to make a distinction between translation of content and literary translation. So yes, AI has very badly impacted people who provide translation services because they are now being asked to edit and oftentimes like rewrite translations generated by AI, but I haven't seen much of an impact on literary translations.
So there's a distinction there, yes.
But like even literary writers, they want to experiment with it, but I don't think they're using it. Even translators, they.
Having said all of that, I would like to say that there are a lot of incredibly boring things that publishers have to do, and I would love for AI to take those jobs away, like
Enumerate.
metadata, like search engine optimization information, writing keyword, like 150 keywords for every book. You take a blurb, and then it has to be 150 pages for Amazon and 130 pages, 130 words for something else, and you know, like unbelievably boring things that we have to do. I would love for AI to take those jobs away.